It's Black Friday today. Hey Cryptic Creatures, welcome back to the crypt. If you're new here, you're welcome to stay. If you're back, you may notice something is a little different, and that is because we are turning into It's Black Friday today. She is a goth YouTuber and I think one of the biggest ones at 600,000 plus subscribers. I've already had so much fun with this transformation and it is just beginning, so let's get into the video. So, transforming into It's Black Friday this time, what is the first thing I need to do? Dye my hair. I'm not a professional. I use box dyes all the time.
What's in the box?
Alright, so I'm gonna speed through this section so you don't have to listen to me babble and figure this out. Hair is black, and you know what? I love it. So before we get into the hair and makeup and outfit, I just want to making sure that my eyebrows are fully freshly shaved. So I shaved them for the first time when I did my Toxic Tears transformation, which you can watch here, and that was my first time ever shaving it, and that was about 2 weeks ago, and I've been consistently maintaining because I'm surprised at how quickly the stubble actually grows back. There's no more procrastinating. I just have to jump into the hair, styling, makeup, and outfit. So let's go. Okay, now that my hair is dyed and dried, it's time to style. The first thing she does is put dry shampoo in her hair, which I don't have. So I was looking up some alternative options. So the first we have is baby powder, cornstarch and cocoa powder, blotting papers, and paper towels. But I don't think that that really helps for the volumizing aspect, which is what we're going for. Hand sanitizer, perfume, apple cider vinegar, salt and cornmeal, cheesecloth. I will leave this article in the description below in case you're interested in these other dry shampoo alternatives. All of the options, I don't have most of them, and the ones I do have I don't want to use. I think what I'm going to do instead is use some of my face powder and just put that all in my hair to add some texture. So that's what we're going to go with. Okay, so amazingly, putting that little bit of powder in my hair already worked. I could feel my hair is more textured. Truth be told, I already missed her first hairstyling step, which was to part some of the front and tie it under her chin. So let's take care of that now. I hope I'm doing this part right. I look like I'm wearing a little bonnet. Then she takes a palm full of hair gel, the strongest one possible, and rubs it all in her hair. Okay, then she takes an ordinary brush, pulls her hair forward, and then brushes backward underneath. This is the part I'm really scared about. Okay, I think I'm doing this wrong and impatiently. I think I should start at one section and then brush it from the roots to the tips. I'm not doing that. I'm just kind of going all over the place, and that's why it looks like this. Holy crap. Is my hair too long for this? 30 minutes in. Okay, at this point, it really is just like this big ball of fluff. So I'm just gonna go in now with this comb and tease out some smaller parts, more specifically. Okay, this is pretty Tim Burton-esque, Robert Smith-esque. So I think I'm just gonna leave it at that and try with the bobby pins and see what I can do, because I have no patience and this requires so much patience, and it's been 40 minutes, so let's try. This hair took me like 40 minutes and I'm honestly, it was my first time doing it, so I'm sure I could do it better, but I kind of love it. So I can't wait to see how everything comes out once I have the makeup on. So let's just jump in with the primer. I have contacts as well, and I'm wondering if I should put those on now. Everyone seems to put those on before they finish the rest of their makeup. These are different than the red contacts that she uses. I don't think she uses red cat eyes, but these are the ones that I have, so I put them in. And honestly, they were super easy to put in, so I wish I had waited because now I cannot see a single thing. I got the contacts a few months ago at Eye Fusion and they weren't that expensive. I want to say they were like under $20, I want to say. These are called Red Cat. Okay, next she does foundation. I thought I saw a tutorial where she got the Crylon Clown White makeup. I know a ton of people use this. Okay, first of all, also disclaimer, this is clearly many shades lighter than I am, and I don't personally like the whole like pale skin is needed to be goth. I don't prescribe to that at all. I'm mixed Mexican and white, so in the summer I do, you know, get darker. My skin tone isn't like super pale. It's not, you know, like a lot of the other YouTubers we see who are goth. But all that said, I am putting this on because she does it this way, so I just wanted to give it a try. I'm just trying it for fun. And regardless of your skin tone, I think if you get this clown white makeup, you could achieve that look. So, just saying. Next is setting all this with a powder so it doesn't just wipe off. She uses a matte gray eyeshadow and fluffy brush to give herself cheekbones. Yeah, then she takes black and then cuts her cheeks even more. Now she takes a brush and fills in her eye sockets with the same matte gray as before. Can I just say that I don't know how it's looking to you guys, but I'm looking in the mirror and I'm kind of living for it aside from this tragic contour. Okay, she said, and then comes the eyebrows. Not gonna lie, but I feel like that does look like eyebrows. Okay, she goes pretty high up, like almost to the top of her forehead. Wish me luck, because this is where I had a lot of trouble last time. How's it looking? Progressively worse, I'd say. Oh god, okay. Okay. I mean, we're kind of getting somewhere, I think. Okay, now this is kind of her signature look, and I don't want to mess this up, but she does like, she goes under the eye and draws like a exaggerated under eye look. Okay, well, it could be better, but it could be worse as well. I kind of love it. It's very messy, but I kind of love it. You see what I see? How dark is it in here? My lighting is terrible. Okay. Moving on, I just took a bunch of selfies because I actually really like it. Okay, we're almost there. We are almost there, people. Let's just power through. I need my eye liner so I can line my lips. We're done, and my hair is just starting to fall over. So perfect timing. Let's get this look over with. Okay, so this is the final transformation. I'm having such a hard time seeing what you could see because of these contacts. But overall, when I look in the mirror, it looks kind of crazy. It looks kind of messy, but I fucking actually love it. I honestly feel like some sort of like demonic snake goddess. It's kind of crazy. I love it, and so it would make me very sad if you guys aren't seeing what I see, and because the lighting situation isn't that good right now. But let's break it down. So first thing I did was dye my hair. I love it. I love my hair black. It was shiny, it was sleek, and then I took 40+ minutes to do this, which I got from It's Black Friday's tutorial. And then we did makeup. And as far as like outfit and jewelry, I saw that she wears some sort of like coin necklaces sometimes, so I got that, and like I have a choker as well. And oh, the Ankh earrings, of course. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Oh, and a long sleeve maxi dress. It's very long, and I'm not wearing shoes, but if I was, it would be boots. So this is it. This is the Black Friday transformation, and I honestly love it so much. I had so much fun making this video. I would 10 out of 10 do this look again. I love It's Black Friday. Go give her some love, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Happy Black Friday, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. But this is what I see. Kind of. Yeah, it's a trip, isn't it? This whole transformation has been a trip. Like, the Kaya one was a trip, the Toxic Tears one, but this is like next level trip.